Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 91, where I'm talking pre-qual versus pre-approval. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 91. I'm talking pre-qual versus pre-approval. Wanted to make this short video just to give folks an idea of what the two terms mean loosely and what you might want to seek out if you're a buyer looking to get yourself in a position to go out and start searching for houses, putting in offers and whatnot. A pre-qual, for all intents and purposes, is basically you've talked to a lender and the lender said, where do you think your credit's at? I'm in the 700s. What type of work do you do? I do this type of work. I gross about $5,500 a month. I've got a car payment that's this. Okay, and they're through a verbal conversation kind of vetting that and saying, you know what, you'd qualify for up to about $275,000. A pre-approval is a lot stronger. A pre-approval means you've sent me in your loan docs, you've sent me your W-2s, you've sent me a copy of your ID, I've pulled credit, I've verified that you've got assets in the bank for a down payment, all of that. I've ran a desktop underwriter approval, and I'm certain I can get you a loan. So when I issue you a pre-approval letter at $275,000, barring nothing changing, you don't quit your job, you don't default on something on your credit report and change that, I can close a loan. So what is very important for folks to understand is that before you go out there and you start putting in offers with a real estate agent, before you start looking for a house, you really need to get pre-approved. You need to know that a lender has collected all your documentation. They're giving you something of substance like a pre-approval that says, yes, I can lend. Now, there's plenty of stuff out there that's automated. You could fill out all the automated forms in the world. When that issues you a pre-approval letter or any type of letter that you attach to an offer, I can tell you from experience, those are the loans that fall apart. Those are the ones that land on my desk 2 weeks into escrow. What's going on? I sent my online application to this guy that owns a rocket ship. He told me that I'm pre-approved. Agent puts in an offer. We're 2 or 3 weeks into escrow. Well, you filled out online that you make $6,500 a month, but you never provided anyone your documentation. After all your write-offs, how you file your taxes, you actually make $1,200 a month on paper. So we've got to do something to fix that. We've got to add a co-bar or something, but as is, you don't qualify for the loan. So all that being said, get yourself pre-approved. It costs you nothing. Talk to a professional before you go out there and start putting offers on homes. If you'd like to talk to me about pre-approval or even a pre-qual, just to kind of get an idea where you stand, I'm happy to answer any of your questions. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, until next week.
529-760-916-529-7600. Experienced and professional when you're ready to apply. Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. When you're ready to apply, call Matt the Mortgage Guy or visit mattthemortgageguy.com. Visit mattthemortgageguy.com.